Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video I am going to be building a bird cage from scratch for my new parrot friend. So this is the one my husband did when we first found him, and it's kind of hard dealing with the parrot in this thing here because there is no bottom there. I have to be cleaning the top of this table on a regular basis. He's pooping, he's doing all sorts of stuff right here. So I am going to do an upgrade today, and the materials that I'm going to be using are this crate right here, these iron poles, these wires right here. I'm not even sure if it is chicken wire or what, but I found these when I was cleaning up over there. I'm also going to be using a piece of tarp from down there, and I think I'm also going to be using some cardboard. Yeah, I need some zip ties as well. The other stuff that I'm going to be using, I will just show them to you while I am using them. All right, so let's get into it now. Once again I had to go and get my broad straw hat because It got so hot, my phone shut off, and unfortunately I was not able to record everything while I was making the cage. But I'm going to show you how it's looking, and I will also be telling you exactly what I did to make this cage. So if anyone out there have a bird, have a parrot, and wants to make a cage, you can replicate this idea. You can also add to it, subtract from it, whatever you want to do to make it better. Just feel free to go ahead and do it. So let me flip the camera now and show you what my new parrot cage is looking like. Okay people, so here is my new parrot cage, and it was very time consuming to make. It seems as if when I started putting in these posts right here, the phone shut off and I didn't notice it, and I didn't want to sit and wait until the phone was recharged to continue making it, so I went ahead and I just did it anyways. So what I did, I pushed these piece of pipes inside the crate right here, and I use zip ties. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zip ties to hold in each one of these posts, 5 of them. And after I put in the pipes, I went ahead and I also zip tied each piece of wire to the post, 4 sides. And when I did the 4 sides, I also went ahead and I added piece on top, and I also used 4 zip ties to hold it down, because I do not want anything to try and go inside this cage to harm my parrot. And after I was done, I counted how many blocks I have on the mesh in order for me to cut this little door right here, and I cut it 12 blocks high, enough space for me to put my hand in, to put the feed in the cage, and to take out whatever I'm going to take it on. And I use this piece of tarp in there, so whatever droppings is on it, I can easily take out the tarp, wash it off, and put it back in the cage. And look here, I was getting itched by these things. I tried my best to take them off, but I'm gonna have to get some thicker gloves, because the ones that I have, they're not thick enough, and they were going through the gloves trying to punch on my finger. Yeah, so this is my new bird cage. And oh, what I was also trying to do is to use these pipes for the time being. I was trying to put them in here to hold down the piece of tarp so it doesn't blow out. I am going to be making some adjustment to this pretty soon. Yeah, so I've already gone ahead and cut some extra tarp to make the adjustments for inside and the top. And I am going to be putting the parrot in the garden because honestly, where it's at right now, too much noise for me. So I think I might move these and put the cage on the table right there. I have to find somewhere to put my aloe vera. All right, so the aloe vera is gone, so let me put these flowers in the stackable planter until I decide exactly where I'm going to be putting them. I might probably even let them stay right there because they're looking good. And I had these up top right here at one point. Yeah, I might just let them stay, y'all. All right, so I have the flowers up here. Now let me grab this cage and put it on the table over there. See how this thing keeps falling out? Oh gosh. Okay, now, so here is what I did. I added 2 tiles on top of the cage, so my parrot now have an official rooftop to protect it from rain. Well, I think I'm gonna put the piece of Thorpe underneath it and then put the tiles over it so the rain doesn't go through here and get inside on him. Alrighty, so the only thing I have left to do is to get something to close this cage. I'm gonna have to improvise right now. All right, family, so it is about to start raining, so I went ahead and I added the piece of Thorpe underneath the tiles. So when it rains, I mean, too much water is not going to get into the cage. And I also put this piece of pipe in the middle right here. So if the rain is falling, he can always be in the middle, you know, so it doesn't get a lot of water on him. And then I use this key chain thing to kind of lock the cage door for right now until I figure out exactly what I am going to do here. If anyone have any ideas on how I can do this, please go ahead and comment down below. I was thinking of some Velcro, but I have to find it. But you know me, if anyone have a good idea, I am more than happy to try it out. All right, so let's get the bird food, water, and the bird in here before it starts raining. All right, little birdie, come on. Mama's built you a new home, so let's go. Gosh, my eyeglass. Come on, birdie, let's go. Let's go. Come on. No, you don't want to leave? Oh, God, I built you a new home. What am I going to have to do now? I'm going to have to improvise. Just let you walk in there by yourself, since you don't want me to take you out. Okay. Go in there because it's gonna start raining soon. Go in there. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on, I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh God, let's go. You see you're trying to hurt yourself? Ugh. I might just have to brace this thing up against here and let it go in there freely because I don't know how I'm going to get it in there. It doesn't want to get out. Go! So guys, I was trying to get him out. Seems as if he likes this little cringing cage. He spilled his food and the water, so I'm going to refill these and I'm going to get help to get him out of this cage right here. So guys, this parrot is refusing to go in its new home. So here is what I have to do. I have to hitch this old cage in front of the new one with the food in the new one to see if it would go over there to eat it. Look at what it's doing. Doesn't it realize that the food is over there? Oh my gosh, I wonder how long it's going to take to notice the food over there, because I don't want him to get wet in the rain. And it is going to rain. And then the bottom of this is falling off because he uses his beak to cut the zip ties. So these ones that I have here, I am going to buy some metal zip ties to replace these ones right here. Go over there. Go over. And this also broke off. So as soon as he gets over there, I'm gonna have to replace it. Go over. There's food over there. Go eat dinner. Go eat dinner. Go on. Go on, birdie. Well, it's your choice, you know. Watcha. What is he trying to do? Is he trying to cut the thing with its beak? Yeah, man, go over. Go over to your new home. Go. Bye-bye. There's food over there. You want a little push? Ew. Go over. Go. As soon as he notices the food, I'm pretty sure he's gonna go. Yay! So he's finally in his new home. Now I have to find a way to get this door back onto the new one. Man, let me see if I can hurry up and cut a longer piece of mesh to put in front of that to shut him in. So, I finally got to make a new door. But he's trying to use his beak to cut this off. You see that? I'm gonna have to order the metal zip ties as soon as possible because this birdie is a smart little one. Alright people, so I am exhausted. I am done now. I am done with this bird. Done with him. Here he is. He's okay now. He's got food. Good for the night. He's got shelter. It was raining earlier. Inside is not wet. Alright. Looks like he's enjoying his new home to me. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Did I do a good job with this cage? It is made out of a milk crate, some wire, I'm not even sure if it's chicken wire or what kind of wire it is, and some these look like some old closet posts, a piece of bamboo stick, some tarp and tile. Oh my gosh. And keychain ring thing. What you squealing about? What are you squealing? You got food. Stop it. Stop it. I'm your new mama. Stop it. Stop. Okay? Stop it. Go have dinner because I'm going inside now. Yes, family. So, once again, I would like to thank all of my returning subscribers. And a very big thank you as well to all of my newest subscribers. Welcome on board. Welcome, welcome, welcome on board. I want to call you Yardina because you have a Jamaica color on you. You see how you're pretty? Alright, people. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you soon in another video. Maybe another epic adventure. Over here in Zone Today, Florida. Lord have mercy. I am happy I made this cage for him though. I think I did a great job. Yeah. Alright, birdie. Mama's gotta go. Go have dinner, alright? I'll see you in the morning. I'll see you in the morning. I'm going to do some research to see what kind of stuff you like to put them in the cage for you. Alright? Bye-bye. Bye, people.